this photo, or this one? Which photo would sell my car the quickest and for the profit I desire? What's up everyone, my name is Andre and welcome to AutoHacker channel, the only channel on YouTube where I show you how to save up to 50% on your next car. But today it's gonna be a little different. I'm ready to sell my Tesla Model S, and while posting it on different online platforms, I noticed one common thing through all private party advertisements. Photos are just crap. You take it at night, you take it in distance, you take it vertically. Therefore, I decided to share my step-by-step instructions how I take proper photos of all my cars since 2007, and I sold hundreds of cars without expensive equipment. This way you can sell your car online the quickest way possible for the money you deserve. So if you're ready, buckle up and let's start this video right now. In order to sell your car quickly and make profit, you need proper photos. So we're gonna start with pictures. So why is it important? There is one big advantage to take great pictures, because they sell your car. And remember this saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? So no matter how well you describe your car with features, benefits, mileage, whatever you've done to it, if you did not take any pictures, nobody is gonna call you. Nobody's gonna buy your car, because pictures are that important. But what's the problem? Unfortunately, private parties, they doing it completely wrong. They do it quickly and without a thought. And let's take a look at few examples like this one. This picture was taken at night. Why not? Or how about this picture? The guy decided to take photo of his car on a parking lot, and there is a car next to it and next to it. Isn't it great? Or how about this one? This one was taken vertically and from the distance. Why is that? I'm not sure. And this guy tries to sell 2018 Tesla Model S P100D for $85,000 when equivalent car is worth around $65,000-$70,000. Okay, that's fine. He wants to make profit, but would you buy the car based on these pictures? He decided, I'm gonna hide my license plate, and what he does? Taking his finger and just covering it. Wow, what a guy. I would definitely not gonna spend any money on this advertisement. I'm not sure what this guy advertises, maybe superchargers, but it's so distant at night, doesn't show any benefits on the car at all. Unfortunately, private parties doing it completely wrong, and I think the reason for that, they just want to sell the car and I want to do it quickly. Go outside, where's my car? Is it clean enough? Okay, enough. Take a couple pictures, post it, and what happens? That's the result. They are unable to sell. Unless it's the cheapest car on the market, it will definitely sell if you take just one picture, if it's the cheapest one. But private parties usually try to sell it same price as car dealers sell it, and they take crappy pictures. And 30 days, 60 days later, guess what? They don't sell the car and they go and trade in the car to the car dealer. And car dealer takes the car, takes pictures, sells it at much bigger profit. Take a look at the car dealers. I'm gonna show you just few examples. Let's take a look at this one. Look at it. It has a separate area at car dealership with beautiful floor, with curtain, no distraction. They invested money in this specific area so they can take picture of their car, and it looks good. I like it already. Or how about this one? It's a black car, but you see where it sits? It sits on a car rotating platform. This platform itself cost around $5,000 plus installation and plus other fees. Why do they spend $5,000 on car rotating system? Because they know pictures sell. Oh, my favorite, I like this one a lot. This car is wow, look at it, black color on a beautiful floor, white walls, it stands out so well, and they took such an amazing picture that I'm ready to buy this car right away. So the next question I have, what's the price, where you locate, what this car has, the benefits and features, and I'm calling them in. You understand why? Because they invest their money in photos. They have separate photo area, they spend money on some rotating platform, they do proper lighting, and they use professional equipment, because car dealers know what sells and they know that picture is worth 1,000 words. And you say, okay, I'm not a car dealer, I don't have a rotating platform, I don't have like a fancy camera, I don't have a proper lighting. It's okay, you can still sell your car if you follow my step-by-step instruction. So first of all, how to do it right. You wait for a nice sunny day. You look at your weather forecast and you see where is the sun. And I know some of you live in the north and you do not see any sunlight in days. Just wait. And preferably the sun should be really high so you can take pictures around the car and you don't rotate your car itself. So from every angle it looks good. So the sun is at top like that. And you take pictures around the car and they all look amazing. But it first starts with a simple step. You clean your car. You can wash it yourself. You can do drive-through washing, or you can take it to this nice place. I took my car because I want car to be perfect. I want to sell the car. I want to make money out of it, okay? And I invest $50 in cleaning. If you cannot spend $50 in cleaning to sell your car for high dollars, don't sell it, okay? And then the next one is very important. You pick location. Location matters. It's when you buy a house, what real estate agent told you? Location, location, location. It's important where the house is because it's easy to sell it based on its location. If it's a crappy location, it's gonna be difficult to sell, but it's a good location, it's easy to sell. What I mean by location, you need to pick a place where you're gonna take a picture and it's gonna be beautiful scenery if possible. If not, it could be just empty parking lot with no distraction. I prefer, if you live close to some big city, find popular place around it. How you do it? You Google it. You can use Instagram or you do Google search like I've done. I live in Miami, so I put Miami car photo shoot location. I found threads at Reddit, so some really great spots to take pictures in Miami. Or the best part, picture worth 1,000 words. You click images and you see which one you like. And I like the first one. I like this. I think it's Ferrari, and I see it, there is a palm and there is beautiful Miami skyline. So next I go to Google Maps and I'm like, okay, so it should be at some location either from this bridge or from this one. And since it's a brickle on the background, so I was looking for some location on this bridge and I was just searching for that. And I then found this Rickenbacker Causeway. That's exactly the location I need. And that's where I went to take my picture. And you see, when I take my pictures, that's my Tesla. It's right there. There is a bridge there. And I took very good pictures from different angles. Okay, you start again from the hood and you go around the car and you take as many pictures as possible. So I take the close up on the bumper, on the headlights, on the fog lights. If there's any scratches, that's where you use your finger. Okay, that's where you use a finger to point what's there. And it's a very light scratch on my paint protection film, but I still want to show it to potential customer so he can see and evaluate the condition of my car. And you see, like, there is a hood as well. There is a small scratch on the film itself. It's not paint damage, but I still would like to show it and like do like a close-up here. I mean, you spend a little bit of time of your effort to take really good pictures. At the end, when you advertise, it's going to be much easier to sell it at the end. If you cannot find such great location, it's okay. Remember, just one important rule: no other cars should be inside and no distraction, no people. So empty car parking lot, it will work. In the past, 15 years, I sold hundreds and hundreds of different cars. And when I started selling cars back in 2007, I took pictures of my car right in my apartment complex. So I just wash car. It doesn't matter what's on the ground, how many people, what kind of cars. I just took 5-7 pictures and I thought that was enough. So I started looking for great location in my neighborhood and I found this park when it's a beautiful mountain on the background. You see very nice green grass, there is kids playground, but no cars, no kids, and I've used this location for many years. I've took so many of my cars at this location and I was taking great pictures. See, it was in 2009 and I mean this location, I just liked it. But at the same time I was still looking for other location. I had some cars 4x4 and I wanted some adventurous location, so I found this one with a beautiful mountain background and beautiful hills there. And this car I remember sold so quickly because it kind of brings the mood of this car, the adventurous mood. So if somebody buys these cars, they want to take off-road, they want to go nature, and I picked the right spot on this one. But later on I found location which was like about 15 minutes away from me. It's not park, it's a private property, so I made agreement with the house owner so I can take my cars to his driveway and take pictures there. But it just like was such a great spot and I've used it for many years. And I don't know, when I was advertising, like taking a look at this picture, you think, oh my, this guy is professional, you know, like the location and scenery is good, and these cars were selling like hotcakes. And later on at the same driveway I found there was like a wall and I could put my advertisement, and when I advertisement they can see my website. So that's how I used to sell my cars. So also take pictures horizontally. That's important. No vertical pictures. It's not TikTok, it's not Instagram. You post this picture, cars.com, AutoTrader, eBay, whatever, Facebook, it needs to be horizontally, and take as many pictures as possible. One of my first mentors who told me, you need to take 150 pictures. So try to position yourself into the boots of your prospective customer, the one who wants to buy your car. If you want to buy the car, you want to see as many pictures as possible from different angles. You want to see the headlights, you want to see the fog lights, you want to see the bumper, the door, the handles, the scratches, everything inside, like leather seats, everything. I mean, it takes you like a second to take a picture. Take it. Don't stop at just 4 pictures around the car. Take as many pictures as possible from every angle as I showed you. And then take a walk around video. So hit that record button and walk around the car with your camera. It's easy. You don't need a camera. You take your phone and you walk around and you open the car, you start the car and you show everything. It can be only 5-7 minutes long. And then you can upload it to YouTube. Then if you use it eBay or Facebook, you can use the link and somebody can see this video. If you don't want to make it public, make it unlisted, so only the person who clicks the link will see it. And that's it. It's so simple, but these simple steps help you to sell your car much faster. I got in a fight with my bidding manager Igor. He said you never take pictures in direct sunlight. So today it's pretty cloudy, so it's my attempt number 2 to take pictures of my Tesla before I sell it. So let's see how the pictures will gonna turn out, and we're gonna compare which one better, direct sunlight or cloudy weather. Okay, I got to the same exact location with my Tesla and it's cloudy. It's windy as well. So, but I'm gonna take pictures around the car. That's the result I got. And yes, against the clouds, the white color stands out really well and you can see details better, like for example rims. But at the same time, the whole weather situation depresses me. Therefore, I've decided to do attempt number 3 and go under the bridge. The third attempt I've decided to do, it's against the concrete wall, so there is no direct sunlight. I mean, doesn't matter if it's cloudy or not, it's in a shade and you can see the details of the car amazingly. Now we're talking. Look at the details of this car. The white color pops out against the concrete wall so well, and look at the rims. You can see every bit of details. I think that's the closest to car dealer professional setup I could get. And you know what? I didn't spend any money on it. It just took me some time to find the location and some experiment. And I really love this result until I found the next location. Check this one out. I think this is the winner for the main picture like that. Whoa, this is just unbelievable. Look at this. You can see Miami, you can see the Atlantic Ocean, you can see the bridge. I think this is the winner, definitely. So it took me a little bit of time to find the location, and you see it's empty because it's Tuesday at 3 p.m. But you know, you need to find the best location. It takes a little bit of time, but then when you find it, you definitely get a winner, and then you can take the pictures at this location all the time, and just unbelievable. I wanted to get social proof. That's why I asked my Instagram community on which photo you like the best: the sun, the cloudy sky, or the concrete wall. And that's the results I got. As you see, everybody likes the sun. It just looks great, and I've been using this technique for over 15 years. But next, check this picture. So if you find some great location next to graffiti wall or under the bridge, you can get a real winner. And I got this picture of my Tesla under the bridge, and everybody just liked it. It stands out so well. So when somebody is shopping for Tesla and he sees this image, it just catches his eye right away, and it's gonna help to sell the car much faster. Just remember, any purchase is emotional purchase. We do not buy by logic, but instead we buy by emotions. We like something, we like the car, we like the feature, you sell the car right away. Please leave comment below which photo you like the most: the sun, the cloudy, or under the bridge. Thank you very much for your attention. My name is Andrei Ivanov, and I'll see you next week. Cheers, guys!